simply they're sketching and doing stuff. As a parents, if you're supporting them and helping them to get better at that particular areas, and that will drive you into the next stage, then they will start creating it their own, all the things, correct, with reference, without reference, from imagination, from inspiration, all the things they start creating it. You are successfully moved your child from just a small time pass talent, natural talent, into become a creation. It is not small things. This will take 6 months or 1 year or 6 years. Many people you will see, many people still they'll see their reference and keep drawing, repeating that stuff. They don't create their own, okay, because they haven't learned, because they don't know the pipelines, they don't know the steps and all the things. If you help, your child will become very talented. They will use the same experience, the learning experience, into their study, into their job, into their personal goal or their professional goals, all the areas. Okay, when you start, okay, in this creativity side, you might not have much expectation after learning this, what I'm going to do, what I will be success, all the things. No, you only will focus your next one step properly. You will keep on moving, then you'll get some experience. With the learning and the learning experience, you will deal the next step. Then this is a life lessons. Anything you want to achieve very bigger goals or something, you should set the goal and you need to take the next one step. There's a lot of success will come, a lot of failures will come, but still you need to correct this and you need to take the next step. You don't feel every single time that, oh, I lost. No, there is no loss. Okay, if you feel that the feel only is stopping you. Okay, the loss is not stopping you. Got it? See, these are all the things they will learn. The big lessons they will learn it in the talent areas. One talent, they can able to make the talent into high potential skill. That same experience will be repeated on every areas their studies. Every areas they will deal any challenges or anything. You don't need to guide them every single time. This one they learn, they're truly experienced. Then they repeat this on many areas. This is the biggest benefit, biggest lessons which we require to succeed more and more. Do you know many places people will think, many places, even the IT, higher level, lower level, any level, you listen to that, right? You need to be creative. You need to be creative. What does that mean? It means everybody should draw? No, correct? How to overcome on certain stops, how to succeed the end goals, correct? Yeah, there is no only one solution for one problem. There is a multiple solutions, correct? On particular time, how you deal, how you'll experience this, all the things is there in your child interest area. The one interest area as a sketching, I'm taking example of sketching my side areas, okay? Because I'm very good at on these areas. I know how people will traveling, how to train all the things. That's what I believe. One talent, okay? If you feel like, I know sketching. No. There's a long way is there. There's a lot of secrets is there, correct? When they start learning it, when they keep them as a learner position with patience and step by step, they'll move without hurry, without like excited so much. This all the things are emotional discipline, mental discipline and action discipline. With this all the things, the only people can learn. The interest area, they can bring this all the things into the one line. They will learn step by step. Then they will see the lot of result and improvement and all the things. Then they will discover the secret of life success. This one will be repeated, will be applied on many other areas in the career side and all the things. Got it? Big secret is there. But what we do, most of the time, it's just a hobby. We cannot make it career. Okay? We cannot get into the job. See? Big benefit is that we will miss that. We think something else based on our knowledge, based on our experience. We are missing the secrets. We are missing the treasure. Got it? We help the child. Whatever talent it is, sketching or some singing or any other talent, immediately don't connect that one into the career. Don't stop doing anything. You find the right teacher, right mentor, right course for that particular areas. Let them travel. Let them keep this as a like hobby. Let them experience. Let them build something on that particular areas. Then they will see, they'll find their own experience, they'll find their own success path, success secrets, where the child is going down, where the child is overcoming, correct? Everyone never go down in the same experience time. Everybody will go down different areas. Everybody will come to know their own down and weakness, don't overcoming on the strength areas and all the things. Everything the child also will experience on this art side. Yeah. So it's the biggest secret where we learn the life lessons in the art side, in the hobby sides. Trust you stay as a strength for your child. Help them to improve on any hobbies or is any talent. Let them get better at that areas. That is going to help your child lifetime. Yeah. Don't compare immediately the hobby things with the career, with the full life and all the things. Let them learn. Let be them in the present. Let them move step by step. Yeah. If a child is drawing more and more, this sketching side like anime style, manga style, those all things, this comes in the character sketching part. The child who's good at in the character sketching things, this child also will become very good at the concept sketching, creating new things and all the things. Yeah. So I am giving 19 minutes free demo class for this kind of children. If a child is more interested in anime manga style, don't miss this opportunity. It's a free demo class. Click the link below and join my demo class with your sketch pen, sketchbook, papers, whatever you have. Sure? Sure. And same time, if you feel that this is relevant to some of your friends' child, otherwise for your family members' child or anything, kindly share these videos with other people. Let them also to join this demo class. This also will help me to reach more people with your help. Yeah. Thank you so much. Don't miss. Click the link. Register my demo class. After that, join this WhatsApp group. I will share all the links, class links, all the details on the WhatsApp group. Yeah. I'll see you on the live class. Bye bye.